Yeah, we are apparently doing well in all our games, and especially the just concluded game of volleyball. The boys have won 2-0, 2 sets to nil to the opponents. They have played so well. They played a mature game. They are fit. They are psychologically fine. They are physically fine, and we are seeing them going to the final games because they are prepared so well, and we hope that when we get to the finals, they'll be able to get it, and we take it to Mbarara City and we celebrate.
Silver Francis District Sports Officer Mbarara. So Mbarara District is a round of 16. Itwenga team tureba ngo nechi shaman am nationals. Habokuba. Subira kugirango obutwayo bwotaka ku round of 8. Tuteka techire kutware chikopo chitu cha nationals. Abakuba bana banje binamani kandi bichimo cyona mbachikora bakuba mu group ahiturigire. Stire buri yomowena twatopinga group na 9 points. Kandi abantu bona twetera bro 10.
As we were continuing with the championship, we had a challenge that people had. They saw as a challenge, but for us, it was an education that we had a continued checkups for screening. That after screening them out, after living in the screening center, when they go to the fields, they would go and refill the people, the children that had been screened out. So we had to agree to have a continuous screening up to the final whistle, so that we clean the house, and so that these children learn and they come to know that this is what is important. We shouldn't be the ones teaching the children how to cheat, because when you teach them to cheat, then what society are we preparing for the future? We had a challenge of a parent in one of the areas in Masaka who called at the center after being informed that her child didn't participate, and the parent was asking what is the reason. Said the child was registered under 12. I said, but no, my child is not under 12. He's above 12. He's 13 years. Why did he register that? And it became a complicated story. But we want to request the teachers, do your work as teachers, but don't do the work which is not yours of re-registering the children for the different dates of birth.